How is property tax calculated in Minnesota? In recent news, property taxes have become a hot topic as many homeowners in Minnesota are preparing for their upcoming tax bills. If you are curious about how property tax is calculated in the state, you are not alone. Let's break down the process step by step. First, the calculation begins with the assessed valuation of the property. Local assessors conduct an estimate of the property's market value as of January to each year. This assessed value reflects what the property would likely sell for in the current market. Next, properties in Minnesota are classified into categories such as residential, commercial, agricultural, or industrial. Each classification may have different tax rates or special rules. The assessed market value is adjusted by classification rates set by the state to determine the taxable market value. For instance, residential homesteads often have a classification rate less than 1, meaning they are taxed on only a portion of their market value. After determining the taxable market value, various local taxing authorities impose property tax rates. These authorities include counties, cities, school districts, and special districts. The rates are expressed as a percentage or mills, which representing dollars per $1,000 of taxable value. The combined total of these rates ultimately determines the overall property tax rate for a property. Now, to calculate the property tax amount, you multiply the taxable market value by the combined tax rate. The formula looks like this. Property tax equals taxable market value multiplied by total tax rate. Minnesota also offers property tax refunds and exemptions that can help reduce the amount owed. Certain properties owned by federally recognized Indian tribes may qualify for exemptions. Homeowners may also be eligible for property tax refunds, which can offset some of the tax burden. It is important to note that recent legislative changes may affect property tax calculations. For example, exemptions for specific property types or shifts in tax burdens among property classes can influence individual tax bills starting in assessment or payable years after 2025. Understanding how property tax is calculated in Minnesota is essential for homeowners as they prepare for their financial responsibilities. Keep an eye on any updates or changes that may impact your property tax situation in the coming months.